So how are we gonna find a tiger?
We'll just have to search for one. Do you see a tiger anywhere?
Oh my. That's certainly a big tiger.
Don't be afraid. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm a friendly tiger.
Friendly tiger? I like that.
So do we. Mr. Tiger, we're the Chibi Stars. And we wanna talk to you.
Please, call me Stripes.
Stripes. Alright, listen Stripes. We need your help with something. We have a friend that has the hiccups, and we need help trying to cure his hiccups. You wouldn't happen to have a loud roar by any chance, would you?
Sure do. Listen.
Whoa. That's definitely a big roar, alright. We could definitely use his roar to scare Saucer's hiccups away. Mind helping us out, Stripes?
Sure, I'll help you out.
Okay. Let's help out Stripes surprise Saucer. Let's pretend we're all tigers. But remember, we have to creep up behind Saucer, so we can roar, and surprise his hiccups away.
Hey Stripes. Do you know how to do the creep? Like a tiger?
Sure do. Let me show you.
Alright, that's perfect. Let's creep together. Do the creep with us.
Pretend your hands are tiger paws. Now, let's creep like a tiger, and move slow.
Whoa. Now that really surprised me. Good one, you guys.
We thought so too. And hey, do you think his hiccups are gone now?
Chibi chibi.
Did it cure his hiccups?
Nope.
Not even the roar of a tiger either. Now what are we gonna do? We need a bigger surprise than this. Something that is sure to cure Saucer's hiccups.
Well, I know a surprise. How about, we use the geysers? The geysers should be the biggest surprise to cure Saucer's hiccups. And hopefully that'll work.
Let's hope so. But let's not forget to look for our last clue either.
Well, good luck you guys. I've got to go get ready for the tiger race. Good luck.
Thanks Stripes. Bye. Alright, looks like we're done here. Let's head back to the garage.